Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk through the Parcel Panel Order Tracking Shopify app tutorial for beginners. I'll show you how to install it, set up a tracking page, customize notifications, and make sure everything works properly. So let's get started step by step. First things first, head over to shopify.com and log into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, the very first thing we need to do is install the Parcel Panel app. From your Shopify dashboard, go to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Next, select Apps and Sales Channels, then click Shopify App Store at the top right. Inside the App Store, use the search bar and type in Parcel Panel. From the search results, look for Parcel Panel Order Tracking and click on it. Once you're on the app page, go ahead and click Install App, then approve the permissions so it can be added to your store. After installation, you'll find Parcel Panel in the left sidebar of your Shopify admin. Click on it to open the app. The first thing we're going to do is create a customer-facing tracking page. Inside Parcel Panel, we're going to set up shipping notifications. Click on Shipping Notifications inside the app. Here, you'll see different email templates, such as Order Received, In Transit, and Delivered. Take some time to review and customize these templates. You can edit the subject lines and message content to better match your brand's voice. You may also want to include helpful details like delivery expectations or support contact information. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save. Next, let's customize the tracking page design. From the Parcel Panel sidebar, click on Tracking Page. Here, you can choose progress bar colors that match your brand, adjust the container width based on your theme layout, and select between light or dark mode depending on your storefront style. You can also configure layout settings separately for desktop and mobile to make sure everything looks clean and readable on all devices. When you're done customizing, click Save. To make sure everything is working properly, go to Orders inside Parcel Panel. Open an existing order and add a tracking number if one hasn't been added yet. Then click Save. This ensures the tracking page and email notifications have real data to display. And that's it. Your tracking page, notifications, carriers, and design are now fully set up. Your customers can easily track their orders, and you'll provide a more professional post-purchase experience. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!